to another video. Today I'm going to do a review of new iPhone SE 2020. So bear with me. The iPhone SE 2020 was released in April 2020. It comes in three colors: black, white and product red. It also comes in three different storage sizes, which is 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes. It has 4.7 inch of screen size, which pretty much looks like iPhone 8. You can see that iPhone SE and iPhone 8 look pretty much same. The iPhone SE has same old bezels as iPhone 8. It gives a nostalgic look of iPhone 8 and previous models. It comes with A13 Bionic Chip, which is same as iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. It is splash and water resistant to a depth of 1 meter up to 13 minutes. It has 12 megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization. It can also record 4K videos at 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. It can also shoot slow motion videos and time lapses. The front camera is 7 megapixel, which can record up to 1080 HD videos at 30 frames per second. It has Touch ID and fingerprint sensor as in the previous iPhone 8 and iPhone 7, iPhone 6. The sound quality is really good. The battery life lasts about same as iPhone 8. It also supports wireless charging. It also has a dual SIM, which is a nano SIM and a eSIM. Starting price for a 64 GB model is $399 with the features which are same as Apple's high-end phones. Overall, iPhone SE is a good budget phone. If your budget is low, within $400 to $500, you should give it a try. It's worth the price.